Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nurmal here, and in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing of the new Oppo A54. So Oppo A54 is the latest smartphone announced in India under the A series, and this is a mid-range device, and we're going to do a quick unboxing of this device. We'll talk about this device, what all features it comes with, the specifications, the camera samples, and the software experience too. So let's get started with the Oppo A54 unboxing. But before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So this is the box package of the Oppo A54. You can see that 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. There is also 464 variant, but we have the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. You get a punch hole camera, and you also get a triple camera setup, and the camera layout looks quite good. Let's talk about the other hardware. You can see here 5000 mAh large capacity battery and a 16 megapixel AI selfie camera, 18 watt fast charging, eye care punch hole display. Then you get the starry blue variant, and we have 6GB RAM and 128GB storage being offered. So that's the hardware aspect. So talking about the pricing, the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage is priced 13,490, while the 6GB RAM and 128GB storage is priced 15,990. So let's start the unboxing. So let's just open the box quickly, and then we'll talk about the hardware as well in between. So let's just open this box. So it's again a made in India product. So there you go. So we have the Oppo A54 6GB RAM with us. So let's just take this out. So taking this out, we'll open the main box. We have a small box here. Let's see what comes inside this box. So you get a case. So that's the case. You get a SIM ejector pin and the Oppo's manual and warranty information. So there you go. You can see that all the manual and details are there. You get a dedicated SD card slot here. That's one of the good things. So you get a dedicated SD card slot. Then you also get the warranty information. You get a good case here. TPU case is included with all the cuts for the camera and layout. Then you get the phone inside the box. So let's just take the phone. So you can see here we have the blue variant, the starry blue variant. So taking the phone out. So there you go. You can see here it is definitely a great device in terms of looks. So we have a triple camera setup. So we have a primary 13 megapixel camera. Then we have a 2 megapixel macro sensor, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and you get a 16 megapixel selfie camera as well. So the back panel definitely looks good. We have the Oppo branding, the gradient pattern as well, and looks really good. We have the side mounted fingerprint scanner, and you can see that it's definitely a slim device even with a 5000 mAh capacity battery. This is just 8.4 mm in thickness, so that's one of the good things, and it's not a very heavy device too. We get a punch hole selfie camera, and we get a 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C port, and the speaker unit included. So that's the ports and connectivity. On the left side you get the volume rocker keys and the SIM tray. Again we have a dedicated SD card slot. So let's just boot the device, and we'll talk about the other aspects as well. So we'll see what else comes inside the box. So you get a charger here. So it's an 18 watt charger. You can see here 9 volt 2 ampere. That's the 18 watt charger, and finally you get the USB Type-C cable, charging and data syncing cable included. So that's all inside the box. So let's have a look at the device now. So now we have booted the device. So you get a 6.51 inches HD plus resolution display. It's a 60 Hz refresh rate. So you can see that the display is a 60 Hz panel, and you get an HD plus resolution display. So let's talk about the software. So this device comes with the ColorOS 7.2, and ColorOS is one of the refined UIs of late. We have said this even in our previous videos as well. So ColorOS is one of the really good UIs in terms of experience as well as the memory management and the features being offered. So convenience tools, you can see that navigational button customization, assistive ball, smart sidebar, gestures and motions, Then you get support for themes, and a lot of customization tools are also included. So you can see that app cloner, game space are additional options available. So it's a really good UI in terms of features being offered. And let's go to the about phone. You can see a Oppo A54, and ColorOS version is 7.2, and it's an octa-core processor. This is powered by the Helio P35 octa-core processor with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage being offered. So that's the software aspect, and also the features being offered. Let's now talk about the camera. So we have a triple camera setup. As I said before, it's a 13 megapixel primary sensor, then you get a macro sensor and portrait mode. Or rather the depth sensor, you get the macro mode, sticker, slow motion, time lapse, and pro mode is also included if you go to the video recording. So let's just have a look at the video. You can see that 1080p resolution and 720p resolution is included. So those are two options available. Then you get the regular modes and tools available, and you also get a 16 megapixel selfie camera included. So let's quickly have a look at some of the camera samples we have taken. So here are some of the camera samples we have taken with the Oppo A54. So you can see how good the quality of the photos is. Do share in your thoughts about the quality of the photos taken with the Oppo A54. Now talking about the battery, so the Oppo A54 comes with a 5000 mAh capacity battery, and you get an 18 watt charger. Now 5000 mAh capacity battery means you should be able to get like more than 1.5 days of battery life, especially with the HD plus resolution display. It should provide some really good battery life, and you get a decent fast charging option in the form of 18 watt charger. So that's the battery aspect. The Oppo A54 also comes with IPX4 rating, so you are decently well protected in terms of splashes of water. So that's an added feature of the Oppo A54. So now looking at the Oppo A54, you can say that this device has a good build quality, a good design as well, very slim and large 5000 mAh capacity battery with a decent set of cameras as well. Now if you look at the other aspects, Oppo should have gone with a better full HD resolution display, and Helio P35 is not the best chipset out there in this price segment, but it does provide a decent experience. So that's the options on the Oppo A54. So this is the new device under the A series from Oppo, and price starting 13,490 for the 4GB RAM and 15,990 for the 6GB RAM. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the Oppo A54. Do share in your thoughts about the Oppo A54 in the comment section. If you like this video, do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.